Hello guys, in this video I will introduce you to logical operators. N and OR are logical operator keywords. We can combine two or more if statements using the AND and OR operators. Okay, let's go. First is the AND operators. The AND keyword is a logical operator and is used to combine conditional statements. A equals 300. B equals 55. C equals 600. So I want to type if A is larger than B and C is larger than A. Then I want to type print but conditions are true. Okay, you can see the result is both conditions are true. And the second is OR. The OR keyword is a logical operator and is used to combine conditional statements. Okay, A is 300. B is 55 and C is 600. And then I want to type if A is larger than B or A is larger than C. Next, print. At last, one of the conditions is true. Okay, you can see the result is at least one of the conditions is true. The most important thing you have to know is the AND operator condition is that both conditions must be true. So if one condition is false, an error will occur. Then the operator OR condition is one of the conditions is true. Then if there is one condition that is wrong, it will still work. Okay, hopefully this video is useful and see you in the next video.